Hey everyone, especially member Ning. Today we from Group 3 in the English midterm project will discuss a lot about the topic we got. The topic that we will discuss today is about the nurse hand over a cancer patient to the surgery department for mastectomies. The patient condition is stable, but she is nervous and scared. But before we start, let me introduce our group member. There are Johanna Natasha, Jenny Mokodombis, and myself, Carlo Evertechu. So, what is mastectomy? Mastectomy is a surgical procedure performed to remove all or most of the breast issues. But not all cases of mastectomy require surgery. There are several considerations that must be made before deciding whether the patient should undergo surgery or not. Some considerations such as the first, breast size. Of course, every woman has a different size. And the second, number of cancerous tumors, whether the tumor is more than one or not. And third, stage of cancer. For stage one, I think do not immediately undergo surgery. And the fourth, aggressiveness and speed of cancer cell growth, whether the growth is fast or not. And the last is the level of cancer spread, whether the spread is fast or not.
Um, there is a procedure when handling over a cancer patient to the surgical department for mastectomy. The first one is check and evaluate the patient health. Before the surgery, patient will usually be evaluated by the health ward nurse to ensure that mastectomy is the right option for their breast cancer condition. The next procedure is patient consent. Patient must provide written consent to undergo a mastectomy procedure after being given comprehensive information regarding the benefits, risks, and other alternative treatment. The next procedure is procedure preparation. The patient will be informed about the preparation that need to be made before undergoing a mastectomy, such as fasting, avoiding the use of skincare product in the surgical area, and other instruction. After this three procedure, the next procedure is administering uh, anesthesia before starting the mastectomy procedure. The patient will be give anesthesia to ensure they do not feel pain during the operation. And last procedure is postoperative recovery. After surgery, a patient will be moved to a recovery room to monitor their condition and ensure there are no postoperative complications. Uh, Next. Uh, This is things to do while in the surgery department to calm the patient. Calming patient in surgical setting is a important part of holistic care and needs to be careful considered by the healthcare team. Uh, there is things to do with the surgery department to calm the patient. The first one is effective communication. Talk to patient in calm, clear, and supportive manner. And then what nurse should explain the procedure to be performed, what to expect, and answer the patient question honestly. The next is be empathetic. The word nurse must show empathy and understanding towards the patient feelings and concern. The next is uh, relaxation technique. Teach patient relaxation techniques such as a deep breathing, technique or like meditation, which can help anxiety and muscle tension. The last is music therapy. Playing calming music or songs that the patient enjoys can help create a relaxed and calming feeling.
For the production planning control, we talk about several points. First of all, facilities quality improvement. As a labor, we must provide our customers by good facilities quality. It will be related to the second point about our customer satisfaction. Besides good quality of the facilities, accuracy also one of the parameters of customer satisfaction. To increase customer satisfaction, we should coordinate our departmental activities. Coordination is needed to for the smoothness of the procedures. For the last, we must improve our labor efficiency because it's needed for decision making so that the laborers can take right steps to the procedure. Next. And then we have a comparison between Ferrari pit stop and ambulance handover. For the first, the aspect is about background identification. In Ferrari pit stop, we talk about pit stop teams and strategy. And for the ambulance handover, the background is the medical labor, usually calming patients, monitoring health, and checking the medical history. And then the second situation, in the Ferrari pit stop, there's hazard and risk. For the example, is like an accident, injuries, and crash. In the ambulance handover, the hazard is and the risk is patient's medical condition. And then we talk about staff involved and task distribution. In the Ferrari pit stop, the task distribution is about race engineers, mechanics, and technicians. In the ambulance handover, we have doctors, nurses, specialist doctors, and paramedics. And then the another aspects is tools. In the Ferrari pit stop, we have hydraulic jack, wheel guns, tire charge, fuel ridge, air hose, compressor, fire extinguisher. And then the ambulance maneuver, we have vital sign monitor, cutting and surgical instruments, anesthesia system, cautery, cleaning and sterilization equipment.
And the next aspect is service user. In the Ferrari pit stop, we have a driver, but in the ambulance handover, we have a cancer patient. And next, the aspect is handover or handover coordination. In the Ferrari pit stop, we have between all crew member, but in the ambulance handover, we have between specialist doctor, nurse, and hospital staff. But in the aspect of communication, Ferrari pit stop must talk faster, concise, and structure in thought. But in the ambulance handover, they must accurate, clear, detailed, and calm, but calm. Next, the assessment. In Ferrari pit stop, they have a strategical of racing, but in the ambulance handover, that have a patient's medical condition. And the last, for recommendation, in the Ferrari pit stop, do research to determine the fastest time for a pit stop. But in the ambulance handover, the medical team can help calm the patient to maintain the stability of their health. Next.
The conclusion, coordination and efficiency are needed is jobs that require speed and accuracy. Patient peacefulness is important. Ensure that the patient stay calm during the procedure. And then the professionality, maintaining clear communication, giving update about patient condition to the patient's family. That's all. That's all our presentation from Group 3. Thank you.
Thank you.